Science laboratory to fly, with the exception of maybe some Russian ones. It's still TBD on that. I stopped here because it's got 3, if not 4 major components. The pressurized module itself, called the GEM, will be the largest pressurized volume ever flown in space as an individual. Of course, that's going to get mated up on station. They have a logistics module, as kind of like our mini pressurized logistics module for ferrying equipment up. They have what they call the extended platform, which is basically an exposed facility to put objects that need to be exposed to space. I mean, you don't always want to do science in a shirt sleeve environment. Sometimes you want to put materials out to be exposed to, you know, hard vacuum, cosmic rays, who knows, a telescope to look up or look down. And then they have an arm that can grab these and put it in a little airlock so you can move things in and out. I mean, it's really ingenious. This part and this part, I think, are both are out at the launch pad right now. They're going up first with the module to follow. And the reason they're doing it in that order is this is so big, they can't have all the electronics in it to launch. So they're putting the mass in here, so that needs to be in orbit. So when this gets up there, they can instantly activate it. It's just the sequence of things. And we'll see that in a minute when we walk down there. It's this big module. But I stopped here where Sam is, what he's pointing at is one of the solar arrays. And there's another one here. And the way these things work is if you look up there carefully, you'll see 2 parallel beams that look like my arms sticking out.
Those are the arrays.
And you're thinking, whoa, wait, the solar arrays are 60 feet long, Scott. Well, sorry, they're 100 feet long. They are 30 meters. Sorry, I said the wrong number. They're 30 meters long. And what happens, when they get in space, they scissor out like this. Kind of makes sense so far? Then that can right there has got the most genius truss you've ever seen in your life. It's a mechanical engineer's brilliant invention. Inside that is a drum that rotates, and as the drum rotates, sticks, basically rods and cables, start erecting themselves and builds a girder beam that comes out of the top of that and extends for 100 feet. So after they've done this, if you'll not laugh at me too much, it does this, and then that boom gets erected, and it goes up 100 feet. And while it does that, it's deploying the solar panels that are all tucked in that box 1 foot thick. So 100-foot long solar panels tucked in that 1-foot box.
So when you watch him do this on the space station next time, this is the one that we're doing.